In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new columns lists in Trello. If you're organizing projects, tasks, or ideas in Trello, lists are the columns that structure your board from left to right. They act like stages in a workflow such as to do, in progress, and done, and they help you understand where each task sits at a glance. Start by heading to Trello.com in your browser. Once you're in, open your boards view to see all the boards you have access to. Pick the board where you want to add columns. When the board loads, you'll see your existing lists across the top of the screen arranged horizontally. If it's a new board, you might only see one list or even a prompt to start your first one. To create a new column, look to the far right of your lists and click Add Another List. If you don't see it immediately, scroll horizontally to the end of your current lists. Trello can extend far to the right as your project grows. On an empty board, you might see Add a List instead. Either way, this is the same place to create a new column. A text field will appear asking you to name the list. Type a clear short name that matches your workflow. Good examples are backlog, up next, in progress, review, or completed. If you work with dates or sprints, you might include a time frame like this week. Consistent naming makes it easier for your team to understand and follow the process at a glance. Once you've entered the name, click Add List. Your new column appears instantly on the board, ready for cards. You can add multiple lists quickly by repeating the same action. If you're building a workflow from scratch, it helps to lay out the main stages now so your cards have a natural path to move through. After the list is created, you can drag it left or right to reorder your columns. This is useful if you want your most active stages toward the center of your screen. You can also rename a list later by clicking its title. So don't worry if your first label isn't perfect. And remember, lists hold cards from top to bottom. So once your columns are set, you can start adding cards and arranging them by priority. That's all it takes to add new columns in Trello. Open your board, click Add Another List, name it and add the list. Set up a few that match your workflow and your board will instantly become clearer and easier to manage.